Once upon the rainy sky, a rainbow spread, but oh so shy. She looked around, began to cry. Her colors gone, she wondered why. Where is my red, so bold and bright? Where is my orange, full of light? My yellow's lost, my green has fled, my blue and violet gone instead. The rainbow sighed, she felt so small. Without her shades, she was so dull. No children laughed, no voices cheered. They only stared, and some looked weird. A gentle breeze then softly came and whispered low and called her name. Don't be afraid, don't lose your glow. Your colors hide, but soon will show. The sun peeked out and smiled wide. Your beauty, dear, can never hide. Your colors live inside your heart. Just close your eyes, they'll soon restart. The rainbow listened, brave and true, and slowly found her red and blue. Her orange danced, her yellow sang, her green and violet brightly rang. The sky lit up with shades once more. The children clapped, they laughed, they roared. The rainbow twinkled, full of glee. I found my colors inside of me.